friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the Walgreens preview for the week of October the 29th to November the 4th. And with that, we are celebrating Halloween on Tuesday the 31st. And then on November the 1st, the following day, probably the Halloween stuff will hit 50%. They are trying to move it out of the door to get the Christmas stuff on display because that is their bread and butter to sell a lot of Christmas goods. And I think of the three pharmacies, Walgreens has the nicest Christmas merch. We'll look at that as the month of November unfolds. But yeah, expect that. So we're also looking at a new month over at Walgreens. So we're going to have new IVCs and new monthly deals. And with that again, Halloween celebrated on Tuesday. So on Wednesday, expect things to be 50%. And they're probably going to go 70, 80, 90 very quickly because they want that space for Christmas really quick. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing it today. It is completely free to do and I would love to have you as a subscriber, so like and subscribe. Let's also treat this video as a preview. The full details and the full ad will be published on the Walgreens app on Sunday the 29th. And as of Friday, October the 27th, around 10 a.m. in the morning, I still haven't seen any digital boosters show up in our digital coupons folder. I've checked both of my accounts along with social media. Nobody's gotten anything. Perhaps something might show up later this weekend, so you have to check every day and load those right away. Okay, guys, first deal we're going to look at is the $7 Old Spice body wash. It says up to $5, so I'm assuming that digital coupon will be a 5 off of 3, and then you get a $4 reward when you buy 2 of these lovely body washes. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account, currently we have this rebate, which is a 5 back when you buy 2. Let's make sure that that rebate is still there Sunday moving forward if you are going to do this deal. So grabbing 3 of these Old Spice body washes, that's 21 on the nose, 7 times 3, that's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting that digital coupon, which I assume is going to be a 5 off 3. Of course, Sunday double, triple check that. If it's a 5 off 2, it's a much better deal. With the 5 off 3, you're going to pay $16. Get back a $4 register reward, $5 from IBOTTA, making it 7 for the 3 or $2.33 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Now, this diaper deal isn't as good as last week, but if you are in dire need for diapers, let's look at a deal. This is 2 for $21. This is also a deal of the week, 4 back when you buy 2. Let's remember that when you're doing these deals of the week, that 4 back when you buy 2 prints only once per transaction. So if you were going to do a bunch of them, separate transactions. Grabbing 2 of these bags, that's 21 on the nose. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you're going to pay 20. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 16 for the 2. If you're going to do this without a booster, I would just roll $20 in Walgreens cash. If you need the diapers, you need the diapers, and most parents know that story. And just to remind you that 10 back when you spend 35 expires on the 28th, which is Saturday, so just it's not there anymore. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Head & Shoulders, the $6 bottles, 3 off 2 digital coupon, which is very nice. So a lot of you were doing the Crest deal I was showing last week. It was a midweek offer. And let's just factor this into the mix using one of these. And guess what? Head & Shoulders is actually listed as one of the items, so we'll throw one of these in. Okay, so 2 of those Head & Shoulders at $6 a pop is 12. Subtracting your digital coupon and one of those $5 P&G register rewards, if you may have it, you'll pay 4, get back a $4 register reward, making this a super even-steven deal. Now, if you don't have that $5 P&G, it'll be 5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Head & Shoulder. Again, we're doing this deal with no booster, thus we can roll Walgreens cash if you may have it. Okay, so this is probably my guilty pleasure, and I don't really ever show deals for this, but I love this brand Native. It's really nice, especially their peppermint Christmas line. $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. And guess what? This is a P&G product because the native products are actually listed in the sub bar. So let's use one of these if you might have it. It says limit of 1 per transaction. So let's just follow that. 2 of the native body washes. I'm going to grab the peppermint ones for $17.98. They're $8 and some change. Subtracting that register reward, pay $12.98. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 each. Remember, we're doing this deal with no booster, thus we can use Walgreens cash. Okay, so we have $5 Crest Fixodent Oral-B Scope, but we're going to have to see what's included. Earn a $5 reward when you buy 3, and we have a 5 off 3 digital. Grabbing 3 of these for $15, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per product. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Okay, now we're looking at some single-serve M&Ms, 3 for $3, and we have an IVC coupon, which is 99 cents off of 3. So grabbing 3 of those for $3, subtracting that IVC coupon, you're paying $2.01 for the 3, or 67 cents per bag. Remember, if you're doing this with no booster, you can use $2 in Walgreens cash, and this is the perfect size if you fill up stockings for Christmas, some cheapy little candies to throw in there, and it doesn't have Halloween all over it. Okay, and now we're looking at the BOGO 50% off for the Gillette Venus That Good Stuff. $8 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Now, grabbing 2 of these at $12 and some change on a BOGO 50% off, that's $19.48. Now, with the new month, I'm assuming there's going to be $3 digitals. We're going to have to double, triple check on Sunday. That will be $6 off right there. Pay $13.48, get back $8 in Walgreens cash. $5.48 for the 2 or $2.74 per. Sunday, we're going to have all of the firm details on the digital coupons and all the rest of the magic for this one. And remember, if you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to get your $8 back. Now we're looking at some Nivea body wash, $5 to $10, $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $15, so buying 3 of them. Putting 3 of them into a basket for $15, you're going to get your $5 back, making it $10 for the 3 or $3.33 per. Let's double, triple check the men's Nivea if one of those IBOTTA rebates might be attaching. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one. Okay, now we're looking at the 4 for $10 for the Bounce, Downy, Gain, and Tide Simply laundry care products. Grabbing 4 of those Bounce dryer sheets. I just love to give those away, and we're getting close to Christmas, so I want to stock up. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay down the tax. And remember, we're doing this deal with no booster, so it's fine to use that Walgreens cash. Now let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first are the food deals that are the deals of the week. $3.99 for those different nice brand nuts. I'm seeing some whole cashews, which is nice. 3 for $13.99 for your Pepsi, and then 2 for $7 for the Ritz crackers. How fancy is that? And buy 1, get 2 for free. I'm thinking this might be a monthly promotion. We'll have to look at the tags on Sunday morning moving forward for this one, but I love those cheap trash bags. And I'm wondering what digital coupons we might have for this. $3 reward when you buy 2. We need a very generous digital coupon to really make this one sing, but you never know. Sometimes Colgate does come through for us. And then the King C Gillette shave products, $6 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Will we have some digital coupons to go with this one as well? That's one to keep an eye out for. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.